the Asian pro go in there. Like that.
Maya, you're gonna get scared.
They're like vultures. They're gonna jump in and kill you. Get food.
I didn't know videoing.
Yes, naked. That's why you should do it over like a pretty circle.
Get her running off the thing at her.
Maya, drop it and run.
Drop it and run. No, wait, they're gonna come. They're
No,
gonna
they're not. No,
Yes,
they're
they
not.
are.
They're not that cute.
Yes, they are.
Actually, no, they're You want to try to kill me? I'll kill you first. I'll kill you first before you kill me. Then I'll kill the rest of your family. Okay, I need the address for your family.
Social security number.
Okay. I was thinking to go too, right? So.
No.
Maya, put the chips down.
Now, sit down. Hey, sit down on that step, and when he comes, just try to grab one and hug
Okay, just run after him, okay? No, get a little bit farther away. Get a little bit farther away. They won't come. Maya's too close to them.
You're all pretty in the bubble area.
You're too close.
Darn it. Some kid's running.
You're gonna get You're near the food.
Somebody put more food on the ground.
Okay, I got an idea.
Yeah, more! More! We're retarded.
I want to become bait.
I want to be bait.
Okay, chicken on you.
I should have had my chicken bones, but wait, no, that would have killed them. They would have choked on it. Maya, move away then.
Sit down and bang a 200 billion steps. Hey, that's not gonna work.
Is this really this entertaining right now?
Yes, you didn't see it when they came down and she ran to them.
All we need to do is go.
Maya, come back up here and run at them.
Maya, come up here. No, because there's more people over here. That's why I'm here.
Sucker. Hey, I'll take that.
Wait. Maya!
Sit down. Sit.
No, there's too many of us over here. Where did you guys come from?
We got psycho. Seriously, we got psycho. Okay, anybody got jump feet or rope? Seriously though. So she's the bait. All we need to do is start to the ground is narrow and then we're good. Okay, that 90 hours.